Respected teachers and my dear friends, hello everyone. This is Sahasra from grade 10 and I am from Sri Chaitanya Concept High School. Now I am going to say you about Indo-Gangetic Plain, which is related to social. As we all know that there are 6 relief features of India, and those are Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic Plains, Peninsular Plateau, coastal plains, desert and islands. So Indo-Gangetic Plain is one of them. Now let us discuss about Indo-Gangetic Plains. Actually, how plains are formed? Plains are formed by the rivers. River brought alluvium and those were deposited there. As you all know that alluvium is very fertile. So wherever this alluvium soil is there, that land is very fertile. So now let us see the geographical background of how these plains are actually formed. Himalayas are formed by the endogenic forces. That means internal forces. Plains are formed by the exogenic and endogenic forces. 200 million years ago, when the Himalayas are formed, there was a low basin formed, and that low basin was filled with the sediment. The sediments are like silt and clay, which are brought by the rivers, and these were brought by the Indo and Gangetic rivers. Hence, these plains are called as Indo-Gangetic plains. Now, let us see how it influences us and how these plains are spread across our country. As you all can see, this is the India map, and this is the colored part is the Indo-Gangetic plain. In India, we have three parts: western part, central part, and eastern part. In western part, we have Indus plain, and in central part we have Gangetic plain, and in eastern part we have Brahmaputra plain. So this Indus plain is also called as western plain. Gangetic plain is also called as central plain, and Brahmaputra plain is also called as eastern plain. Now let us discuss about western plain. This western plain is formed due to the Indus river and its tributaries. Its tributaries are like Jhelum, Chenab, Beas, Sutlej, and these were deposited in this western part. Most of this part is located in the Pakistan. Only some is located in India, like Haryana and Punjab. This Indus plain is located in Haryana and Punjab in India. And this western part is very famous for Doab. Doab means a fertile land between two rivers is called Doab. Now let us discuss about the central plain. So that is in the Gangetic plain. So central plain is also called as Gangetic plain. This Gangetic plain is formed by the Gangetic river and its tributaries. Its tributaries are like Gomti, Gagar, Gandak and etc. So these all rivers brought alluvium and deposited in this central part. Hence it became fertile land. And it is stretched from Gagar to Testa. And these are mostly located in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and some part of Jharkhand in India. Now let us discuss about the eastern part, that is Brahmaputra plains. So this eastern plain is also called as Brahmaputra plain, and it is formed due to the Brahmaputra river and its tributaries. Tributaries are like Dibang, Lohit, and some parts are in Arunachal Pradesh and Assam in India. Whenever the river flow from Himalayas to plains, it will be deposited some of the materials in the foothills of Shivaliks because it's lost its velocity to carry the deposits. Deposit materials are called as pebbles, stone sediments. So this feature is called as Bhabar. Small rivers and streams flow underground through Bhabar and reappear in lower areas and form a swampy and marshy region called Terai. So this is all about Indo-Gangetic plain. Thank you.